Because we have such busy days, we tend to have many thoughts playing back in our minds, being pulled up from our subconscious, playing like a recording. And sometimes those sounds can tend to be a little bit overwhelming. So what we're going to do is practice clearing our mind and focusing. So I want you to sit up straight, close your eyes, so we can begin.
Be aware there are many sounds around you, and it's okay. Settle yourself down within those sounds and guide your awareness to the center of your forehead. Take a deep breath and exhale slowly, bringing your awareness down to your throat and relax. Take a deep breath and bring your awareness down to your shoulders and slowly exhale, feeling the muscles in your shoulders relax. Bring your awareness to the center of your chest and take a deep breath and exhale slowly, feeling the muscles in your chest relax. Now slow your breathing down, and with a shallow breath, bring your awareness down to your abdomen and exhale slowly, feeling those muscles relax. Now bring your awareness further down to your navel. Inhale and exhale slowly, feeling those muscles relax. Keep a steady, slow pace. And exhale. Breathe in and exhale. There is a radio. Picture it in your mind to the left of you. What does it look like? It has two knobs. The knob to the left is for stations. The knob to the right is the volume. Hear the radio playing soft music. Picture your left arm reaching out for the radio as if you were to change the station. Turn the dial to the left, one click, and you hear white noise, static. Now turn the dial to the right, 2 clicks. Pay close attention to the sound coming from the speakers, as it sounds like air. Turn up the volume and bring your awareness to the sound of air coming from the speakers, as if it were flowing back and forth from within you. Hear the volume getting louder and staying soft. Focus on it, as it is the only sound that matters. Bring your awareness to your chest and feel the air with every breath you take. As you breathe in, your chest expands with air. Feel it. Allow the breath of air to continue its flow back and forth, in and out through your lungs, filling your chest and your nostrils, repeating over and over and over. Now bring your awareness back to the radio, as it represents your mind and the energy within. And be aware that you hold the power to control your thoughts. And be aware that you are aware that the air you breathe is a powerful energy always within you. And you can use this energy to silence any and all noise. Now bring your awareness to your hands and begin to wiggle your fingers and to your feet and move your toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes, and if you like, continue to sit and enjoy your silence until you're ready to move about your day. Thank you for taking the time with me to sit in silence and clear our minds with focus. Come back twice a day for at least 7 days for your own personal practice. Once in the morning and another before bedtime. Stay tuned to your next meditation practice session. Namaste.